Welcome to my video. In this video we are going to discuss about ethical consideration in machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence, AI, and computer science which focuses on the use of data and algorithms to imitate the way that humans learn, gradually improving its accuracy. In today's technological era, machine learning has become an integral part of diverse industries and sectors. It is extremely important because it provides organizations with insights into trends in customer behavior. Supervised learning, also known as supervised machine learning, is defined by its use of labeled datasets to train algorithms to classify data or predict outcomes accurately. Reinforcement machine learning trains models to make decision sequences, by utilizing a process of trial and error. Unlike supervised machine learning, in which the machine is fed input variables and an output variable, unsupervised machine learning only uses input data. Why ethics matters in machine learning. When analysts embark on a research project using any method, it is always important that any possible ethical issues relating to the collection, access, use and storage of data are considered. This helps reduce potential harm to all individuals involved in the research and helps maintain public acceptability around the production of research and statistics, and enables researchers to efficiently access and harness data that supports the production of statistics for the public good. These ethical issues are particularly important when no matter what stage your machine learning project may be at, it is always sensible to discuss possible ethical issues that could arise with other researchers. This applies if you are thinking about starting a new project using machine learning. The potential for bias in machine learning. There are several ways in which bias can be reflected within machine learning which could influence how algorithms are created, used, and interpreted by analysts. Again, whilst there may be some overlapping relevance to operational or other uses of machine learning, this guidance focuses on the implications of different ethical challenges for research and statistics. In many circumstances, bias in machine learning is the result of cognitive human error. Problems are introduced by those who design or train the systems. For example, the training data may be incomplete, or unrepresentative of the correct population. Bias though does not always exist as a result of human error. For example, it may be introduced into datasets or models as a consequence of previous societal norms, transparency and explainability. In machine learning, these concepts relate to the potentially opaque nature of machine learning algorithms, and the difficulty in communicating how these systems are used and how they work, particularly to a lay audience. So-called black box algorithms, where the researcher knows what data is fed into the algorithm, and what comes out, but might not be able to interpret it in actionable, human terms, are central to considering this issue. A lack of transparency in machine learning projects has further implications for the reproducibility of results. The ability to replicate results is crucial in ensuring and maintaining scientific trust. Being transparent about the way in which data is used, and how our research is carried out allows others to verify the results of a project via replication, and the accuracy, or inaccuracy, of the model, enabling researchers to determine whether the model is sufficient, and whether it is suitable for further use. Transparency is particularly important to consider when using technologies such as machine learning, especially with the aim of reproducibility in mind. Finally, when it comes to the development of machine learning models of your own, you looked at the choices of various development languages, IDEs and platforms. Next thing that you need to do is start learning and practicing each machine learning technique. The subject is vast, it means that there is width, but if you consider the depth, each topic can be learned in a few hours. Each topic is independent of each other. You need to take into consideration one topic at a time, learn it, practice it and implement the algorithm/s in it using a language choice of yours. This is the best way to start studying machine learning. Practicing one topic at a time, very soon you would acquire the width that is eventually required of a machine learning expert.